Hello. Hey guys. It's your girl Niccy back with a new video today. So I ordered a 20-pound box of fabric that contains all fabrics between like 1 to 3 yards. So like you don't know what you're gonna get. It's from Fabric Wholesale Direct. This isn't sponsored. I literally was just so excited because I was already just like looking around for some cute fabrics to make some like little dresses and some shit with, and like bikinis and like just like fun. But I also like am open to trying new things because like, you know, it's all a learning process. So I got this fat box in the mail. It's thick. It's probably like 25 pounds. Like, it's definitely more than 20 because of all the other shit. Here we go. We're about to unbox this shit. I'm excited. Disregard how messy my room is. My life's a mess. It doesn't matter. I like it. Okay. Oh, there we go. So now we got a nice pull. Gotta wrap, push it around, give it a little. So, ooh. Oh my god, I already see some shit that's cute. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh my god. There's not much of an intro to this video other than like I've been sewing a good amount, but mainly I've been making these like ankle wallets where you like put money in it and you wrap it around your waist. I mean your ankle. So like it zips and shit. Like I installed the zipper. Yo, don't look at my nails. They're crusty. Oh. So yeah, I made one with a belt, but then I made one with Velcro and realized how much better Velcro is because it's so quick. You can just like put it on, so if you're like dancing and shit, you don't want to like hold your money or whatever. Okay. I'll put it so you can kind of look. Okay. On the top. So it's just a whole bunch of random shit. I did buy some specific fabric, but it's probably might be just mixed in. So step 1. Very simple white fabric, you know, probably, you know, 2 yards or a yard. We're just gonna go through this quick because clearly I'm just looking for gems because like at this point I probably would like dye this tie-dye. It's so white it just looks like it needs dye on it. Okay. This actually feels very similar. It kind of feels like some shit you would like use as a pillowcase. So it's not too hard. Oh, okay. So, yeah. Anything like this, I'm like, hell yeah, because dresses are so cute. I love, like, this, like, shiny look. It's freaking cool. It just, like, I feel like it just screams glamorous and, like, icy. Like, icy. So, yeah, that will look cute as a dress. This is another fucking sick fucking color. A little bit more bright blue. Hot. Oh yeah, it does focus. Yeah, nice. So yeah, we love silky fabrics here. I'm all for it. Okay, this feels like it's another white fabric. I don't know, it's definitely softer. This type of stuff I would use for like the insoles of like, I don't know, bikinis if I needed it to be like the multiple layers or some shit. Who knows? I would literally, okay, this is more of like the same shit. This literally feels like some shit you'd put on a bed. So, oh, it's stretchy. Okay, so that's a fucking dope. White could dye this shit. Probably any color. Actually, I have no idea if this would hold dye. Literally, it feels like maybe some shit you'd work out in. I don't know. White's cool though because white means you can dye it most of the time. Okay, this is a fat ass piece of more white fabric. This literally, oh, it's shining on one side but not on the other. Not really dress material, but you could definitely like fuck around and like, I don't know, do like a photo shoot backdrop with that shit. A lot of the shit will probably, okay, literally anything fuzzy is cool with me. Oh, it's double-sided fuzzy fake fur red. That's hot. Could do a lot of things with that. Christmas dress, pillows, blankets. Whatever, that's cute. Okay, some more shiny, a little bit more silky shiny. Oh yeah, shedding. By the way, this box costs like $80. for 20 pounds of fabric, which I think is pretty good. I mean, as long as you get winners, yo. That's what I was hoping for. Okay, this is like a midnight blue silk. So, like, this is, like, one of the, like, out of all non-stretchy material, this would probably be one of my favorites if you were to wear, like, a nice, like, silky dress. Like, I like fake silk. I don't know if this is real silk, but it feels like silk. A lot of the other ones don't, but this kind of does. I don't know if it's real silk. I don't know. I'm cool with the not real silk. Oh, okay. Oh, wait a minute. This one's different. Yo, what the fuck? This one goes dummy hard. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. What? Who thought of this? Okay, so this shit goes stupid hard. This is definitely gonna be this is gonna be like a long ass maxi dress, like, already. I already know what that's gonna be. Maybe a skirt, maybe a top. This is a lot of fabric, to be honest. Okay, well, I should probably fold it, but it's very silky. It's not easy to fold. I don't even think it needs to be folded, but I don't really want it to get wicked wrinkly either. Oh my god, it, like, looks like... I don't even know, yo. Would you wear this? Would you wear this? Answer in the comments. Would you wear this vertically or horizontally? Like, would you want it to be like this? Or like long ways? How would you rock this shit? Cause I don't know, yo. I think I'd like if it was a skirt, like I kind of like it. Like that, I think. Oh, okay. Okay, this is pink. Cute. Literally, my nails are too busted. Oh, there's some dust on it. Pink. Oh, the red fluff. Okay, yeah. So this is, like, wicked nice. This is, like, some shit you would want to wear if you were wearing a dress in the summertime. This shit is totally breathable. So I'll probably do some shit like that with that. That's cute. Maybe some shit. Maybe some straps that tie at the top. I love that look. Okay, the stack is growing. They really knew what I liked. Oh my god, more of the shiny shit. I vibe with it. That eggplant. Oh my god, that's hot. Yeah, so like shit like this, like, I just bought a bunch of these things. Like little cute, like, oh my god, embellishments. I don't even know, yo. So whatever I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make it like a little bit cuter. So like, but this type of shit, like drapes and shit. Oh, it's hot. It's hot. Oh my god, I love purple. I love purple. It's my favorite color. Okay. More of this like stretchy white. Is it stretchy? Yeah, like stretchy white fabric. Maybe it breathes. Maybe it doesn't. I don't know. But white usually like doesn't stay white for long with me. Ew. It will turn colors or get stained. So I may as well just tie dye it. Also, these are like scrap fabrics too, so like they're all different sizes, but like usually like minimum 1 yard they say, but some like this piece looks pretty small, that piece looks pretty small. It doesn't really matter. I'm sure I'll find use for it. Okay. Ooh. Oh hell yeah. So this is some shit that easily probably one of my favorite materials. This is like total workout type of material, breathable, shiny, purple. Now I'm wondering if I ordered this actually, but I don't think I did. I will put in like right here what I ordered alongside the box. So by the time we get there, maybe it will be there. I have literally no idea, but this is fucking dope. Like it's stretchy, like can you see it? Like swimwear material or any type of material, dress material. Okay, this is edgy. This is like fancy pillow, like you're not wearing this. It's not cozy, but it's a little ricket, but it's cute. The edges are so purple. Is that how it frays? Like that's hard, kinda. That's kind of sick. So the edges are dark blue. I don't know why, yo. Maybe we'll make a pillow out of that, or like a small curtain. Okay. Okay, so this has a tag on it. I don't think all the other ones had tags on it. Vogue Fabrics. Like actually. No, I'm just kidding. Probably not. I don't know, though. Yeah, this is hot. This is easily wicked cute. Love this. Stretchy. It's basically the same as the purple one. Like, it can breathe. Oh, makes good, like tight, thoughty dresses. Like, if you want, like, a cute whore dress, this is what you'll need. And, yeah, like, holds you all in. Like, could do, like, some cutouts. Some cute shit. But, yeah, like, honestly, I'm honestly just getting those two stretchy materials in bulk, like, could make so much shit with just those. And I see some yellow shit. Okay. Okay, this is like t-shirt material. I don't know. I mean, yeah, it's stretchy. It's like cotton, heather. I mean, if you like yellow, you know, you never know when you need yellow fabric. Okay. This feels like, no, gray. It's kind of, doesn't really, A little bit of a stretch, not much. Two-way stretch. No, it's okay. Gray, not too crazy about it. This, oh my god, they hit me with the blue. Dude, okay, so yeah, this is the same thing as like the purple one. I feel like the one that was in between that was light pink, that was like marked Vogue or whatever pink, is maybe a little bit softer than these types, but this will do. This is shiny. This is the other ones, like that pink isn't as shiny. This is shiny blue, fucking mermaid, fucking let's go swimming, let's go. That's the vibe. Okay, so this is the rest. So, anyways, I'll put these. Oh my god! So this is how much I got. It's on the floor. Hold on. Oh my god! Don't look at how dirty my room is. Yeah, that's definitely 20 pounds. I literally couldn't pick it up in one. Yo, I knew this shit was gonna be a nightmare, bro. It's gonna be a lot. Yo, I gotta start working with it because 20 pounds of fabric takes up kind of a lot of room. I'll probably stay in the box until I figure out what to do with each one. But okay. Now, and so it begins. So these are the ones that, you know, I paid specifically for. Something I wanted specifically. I don't know, I forget what it is, but kind of remember some sequins. Sequins, mesh, you know, shit that I vibe with. I'm genuinely so excited. It already looks cute while going into it. It looks like they package these a lot nicer, the ones that you buy on purpose, not like the random boxes, which indeed makes sense. Okay. Cracking it open. Okay. Okay, literally 1 yard is not that big. Oh my god, I always think it is. Oh, it's kind of itchy. It's like this type of thing, like wicked cute, and it stretches, but you see already it's see-through. So I would probably, well, since not even that it's see-through, it's the fact that this against your skin is not gonna happen, and it's gonna be itchy. But see how it's mesh? Ew, it's like hollow holes. Do not look at my nails. Oh my god, get them off the frame. Net. So this would sew over, let's say, that white stretchy fabric. It would pop. It would pop so hard. It would look so sick. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. This shit I'm gonna fold. I'm just like, this is so fucking cute. But yeah, you can't just be wearing this like as is. Unless you're feeling crazy. But I'm probably gonna like maybe it would be like I would put on some underneath in like, you know, some areas, but maybe keep. But then again, like literally this fabric is itchy against the skin. Like you don't want to wear it without anything underneath. Oh my god, I'm gonna throw up. BRB, I'm about to go fucking throw up in this. Dude. Oh my god. I'm just looking at it in the camera. I'm literally like, wow. Wow. Okay, so this this is actually soft. I would wear this against my skin. Doesn't really need a second layer. Doesn't. I mean, yeah, you're gonna see my nips, but it's cool. So yeah, not see-through. Wouldn't say it's see-through. This is so cute. What got me the most fucked up though is this edging. Let's see. I'm like focused on the edging. Wow. Wow. So that's on this side. Okay, so that's on like this side, and then long. And it's on the other side. So it's on the shorter side, which is fine, I guess. Yeah, so if I made a dress out of this, I would probably try to keep that trim in. I probably would, dude. It's cute as fuck. Like, why cut that off? That shit is so cute. Oh my god. Okay, on to the next one. This is just, I only got like 4, I think, yeah. But this is so cute. I'm gonna have to get some more of that. I already know it. That's gorgeous. Okay, so, okay. I got this. I think it was on the cheaper side. It's just like a stretchy hot pink lace. Like, this is fucking fire. Sorry I didn't open all the other ones up like this. I just didn't think it was necessary because a lot of them are like the same thing. This is cute. Like, it's not no, honestly, it's nice. Like, for what's worth, it feels like very silky. cute. You could like double it up to make it like try to make it a little bit less see-through, and maybe on the top if you were to do a dress where like the titty part was a triangle and there was multiple layers, but then the rest wasn't. That would be hot, wicked hot. Or like maybe even the bottom, or like I don't know. You could do a whole bunch of shit.
Okay, so like at this point, like my microphone like broke. I don't fucking know what happened, but this is the other fabric. Okay, yeah, it's so cute. It's like paisley, it's like soft. Yeah, like I don't know if I dropped a piece of fabric just over the mic or like whatever reason, just the microphone stopped working, so it's totally fine. But yeah, this is very nice material. I really like it. Yes. Okay, and so that was all the fabric, and then I wanted to show you something I made. So at a thrift store, I got these like True Religion jeans that were just too like low cut for like, or like what is it, like low rise for my liking. So I turned them into like a streetwear slash bikini set. This is the bottoms. Like I made them into a thong. Like not my best work. Well, I mean, honestly, I am proud of it because it took me a while. But yeah, like the edges aren't finished on the ass, but it looks good on me. But like, granted, like it could have a little bit more coochie fabric, and you know, I'm still learning and shit, but I liked it, you know, it works for me. So, and then I made the top, and the top is really cute. Like, it used the ass cheeks of the pants as for the titty part, and so you can wear it like all different ways. Like, it's so fucking cute, honestly. Like, I've never, like, these jeans were like kind of cute to start with, but like, I literally, there was no way I was ever gonna wear them. Like my whole ass belly fell out of them. So literally, yeah, you could like wrap it around, you can like do anything. That's the back. Pretty cute, right? Yeah, I'm obsessed, honestly. But yeah, this is my outro that I try to film, but I'm honestly so awkward. I literally never had to know how to film outros, so I don't know what I'm saying right here. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you watched it all, that's so fucking cool. Yo, shout out Fabric Wholesale Direct. Yo, they got that good shit. Okay. Yeah, bye guys. Like, subscribe. I love you all. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later. This is my sewing machine. It's so cute. I love it so much. Okay. Bye.